Welcome to the HFT Stocks and Options Commentary. I'm Pablo Navarro. Today is Thursday, May 30, 2013. For the Volatility Index, the dollar-weighted put-call ratio on the VIX, we have a neutral reading on June with 25% of the total premiums paid. Bearish reading in July with 8% of the total premiums paid. On August, a neutral reading with 17%. September, October, and November, bearish with 28, 19, and 3% of the total premiums paid. Overall, we have a bearish reading today here on the dollar-weighted put-call ratio. Going to the charts here, we have the daily chart for SPX. We were up 0.4% for the day. 6 handles, as you can see here, we were off the highs, closing basically at the midpoint. Nothing interesting here, but we made a new lower high, as you can see here. Big tails here to the upside. I'm starting to get more bearish here on the market short term. Maybe looking for a trade lower. We need to take this previous low here of 1636 out. If we take that out, I would be looking for 1600, 1590. Going to the Qs. Here we have up 0.5% today, basically the same pattern here. As you can see here, making the third consecutive lower high and finishing with big wicks here to the upside on these candlesticks. For IWM, here we have it, up 0.67% for the day, finishing also the third lower high, but we don't have this big wick here, so that's important to know here. So turning bearish, more bearish on Qs and on the SP than on the small caps. That's what I'm seeing here so far. Going to GLD, up 1.4% for the day. Nice rally here, as you can see, taking out these previous highs, which was important. And if we do here come up, maybe come and test this previous level above around the 140 level, and which is this 50-day moving average. So that's going to be important if we go to the upside. For silver, up 1.25% up today. Not much action here, but pretty much the same pattern. Maybe going to 23s as the upside target. 23.25, 23.70 was the high here. That's going to be an important level to take out. On Apple, here we have the daily chart. We broke the 50-day moving, the 100-day moving average and close above that. I'm looking now for 465 as the next target in Apple. That's what we're getting here. The first daily close above that level since May 8th. So that's important here for Apple. Google, not much today, 0.25% higher, but you can see here again this big wicks to the upside. I'm bearish here. I think we're going lower. 844 is the target. Netflix, up 3.4% for the day, taking yesterday's high and finishing at the highs of the day. Important to see some continuation tomorrow. So let's see what we got here. JP Morgan, up for the day. As you can see here, we talked about yesterday, bullish, continues to be bullish. Goldman Sachs, same here. I continue to be bullish here. We want to make a new high and break that 165 level.